Does anyone else get excited when you see a box with a happy face on it at your door? Or is it just me? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another hair or skincare video with me. So today we're talking about my Amazon loves, faves, must-haves for natural hair. So if you guys are interested in this video, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, now I have quite a few products to mention, so let's just hop right into this. So the first item I want to mention is a satin bonnet. Now, we all know as curly girls that it is super important to sleep on something satin so our hair stays nice and moisturized or in place. So satin bonnets you can literally pick up on Amazon. I picked this particular one up when I had braids last year. It is an extra large one, fit my braids nicely. I also have a smaller one that I sleep with sometimes, not so often, but these are definitely great and a natural hair must-have. So the next item I want to mention is a satin scarf. Now, I definitely prefer to sleep in satin scarves over bonnets. This one is nice and lightweight, cute pattern on it. You guys can literally pick this up in every size, every pattern, every color. This is perfect. Definitely a natural hair must-have. So for those days when I cannot be bothered to put on my bonnet or my scarf, I definitely opt for a satin pillowcase. Now, this is great for all my girls who don't want to be caught dead with a bonnet on their head or a scarf on their head in front of their man. These are definitely relatively inexpensive and you can pick them up in any color you like. So I just have mine in like platinum gray here. This matches with my bedding and it does a great job at keeping my hair nice and hydrated and protected. So the next item on my list of Amazon loves is my shower drain cover. This saves me from the disgusting task of pulling hair out of my drain. So this just has a silicone edge here that prevents it from slipping around in your shower and prevents you from clogging your drain. Now, as a curly girl, I usually do not mind getting my hair a little bit wet or damp in the shower, but on an off chance that I have straight hairstyle, or like last year where I had braids, they were entirely too long and I did not want to get them wet, I picked myself up a shower cap from Amazon. I absolutely love this one because it has a terra cloth material on the inside of it, so it was super gentle on my hair. Like with any product on Amazon, I feel like these come in all colors and you can also pick this up in different sizes as well. So if you don't want to get your hair wet in the shower, highly recommend. So for all the girls that are like me and you enjoy doing your hair in the shower, I highly recommend a shower mirror. Now, this is not supposed to fog. It does sometimes, but it's really not a big deal. And it just has a suction cup on the back that helps it stick onto your shower wall, and it is adjustable. I really love this because I love to do my hair in the shower, and for some strange reason I love to watch myself in the shower. Is that weird? So when I wash my hair, I personally do not like using a regular towel on my hair, so that is why I use a microfiber towel. Now, these are super gentle on the hair, does not snag, does not dry it out. This is great for every single hair texture. I definitely recommend it. You can get this in all styles, all colors. But yeah, I feel like this is super perfect for everyone's hair. So yes, if you are washing your hair and you're using a towel, stop now. If you're washing your hair and you're using a t-shirt, stop now. Just go out and purchase yourself a microfiber towel. Mine came in a set of 2. It came with this pink one with flowers on it and a white one that is currently in my laundry. It needs to be washed, but yeah, these are great and I definitely love them. Another product I have been loving for years that I picked up from Amazon is my Scalp Massager. Now, I love this because not only does it help stimulate your scalp for hair growth, but it also gets your scalp super clean when you use it while you're shampooing your hair. I think these are absolutely wonderful and a love of mine. So a product I absolutely love and I use every single day, legit, every single day and night, would have to be my spray bottle that I picked up from Amazon. This one just has that continuous spray, which I love. It gets my hair nice and damp to my liking. I love this. Love. You can honestly pick this up in a bunch of different sizes, a bunch of different colors. It doesn't even have to be like the continuous spray, just any kind of spray bottle I love. Like, it's a must-have. Like, how are you living without it? So another Amazon love of mine that I like to mention is my wet brush. Now, I don't often brush my hair while it's wet, but in that occasion that I need to, for any reason, if it's for styling purposes, then I definitely use my wet brush. I got mine in purple and teal. I think it's super cute. Also, the bristles are super flexible, so this is not snagging your hair or breaking your hair off. So whether or not you are straight, curly, or wavy, if you have hair in general, then you are using this product, and those are hair ties. I just have the jumbo ones here. Like I said, last year I had braids, so this came in clutch. Also, I like to use these to pineapple my hair with because they're not super tight, so they don't overstretch my curls when I am pineappling. So I think these are great. Hair ties, obviously, you guys, you can get them in any shape, any size, any material. These are great because they are the ouchless ones, so they are not going to snag or break off your hair. If you guys have been following me on my channel, you know that when I style my hair, I love to style my hair, deep condition my hair, do everything with my hair in sections, and I could not do that if it was not for hair clips. Like, I have a bunch of these hair clips, not only in this style, I definitely have them in other styles as well, but definitely hair clips are a must-have in a natural girl's life. These are super inexpensive. You can get them in all different colors, all different sizes, all different shapes. Get you some. So the last product I want to mention on my list of Amazon faves is an edge brush. Now, if you don't have an edge brush or some form of an edge brush, it does not have to be exactly this one, then I don't know who you are and what kind of natural you are, because we all know we love to style our edges. This one I like in particular. This has real boar bristles, cute color, and even has a little comb at the end, so you can really get that good swoop, you guys, without breaking off your edges. I personally try to refrain from styling my edges every single day because I want to keep having edges to style. But yeah, if you're gonna style your edges, I definitely recommend a edge brush, and this one because it's super soft. Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys love this video as much as I love my Amazon products. If so, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, letting me know how much you like it. And if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video really soon. Bye.